Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P500 followed by the Nasdaq100 and the DowJones30 futures charts on this first trading session of this new trading week. Just before I start today's video, I just want to quickly let you all know that tomorrow there will be no video posted by myself. That's due to the fact I'm going to be on a 15-hour flight from Africa back to London. So thank you very much for your patience, but videos will continue as per usual as of Wednesday. But let's get started with today's video. S&P 500 starting the week on a positive note, trading up around 1.2%. This is very positive to see. I did actually mention this going into the weekend that I did expect, perhaps a weak start this week, but ultimately I do believe by weekend we will be trading above 4,400, and now we're only 30 points away. So I think what's crucial here is for us to take out last Friday's swing high and a close above that, and then going into tomorrow's session we can also work on taking out Thursday's swing high, and that would be very positive. I think once we do take out Thursday's swing high, that will then confirm that we will likely continue to trade above 4,400. Nasdaq100, very similar here to the S&P 500. We've continued on a very positive note, up around 1.3%. Now, what's very interesting today is that we do see all three major indices trading roughly around the same percentage points higher. So we have the S&P 500, which is currently up around 1.21%. We have the Nasdaq100, which is up around 1.32%. And we have a Dow, which is up over 1%. And this does make me believe that this is probably algo trading, a lot of algo trading, and that's typically what you do tend to see when all three major indices are trading higher on the same day, which is normally, it's not a bad or good thing, but that's definitely one thing to kind of point out. But the Nasdaq 100 is still trading within this uptrend, and of course we have met several areas of resistance as of recent. And I think once we do get a clear break above this resistance, which should be by the end of this week, that's in my opinion, of course, that will then confirm the breakout, and then I think that that will then enable us to go up towards 16,000, which were the previous swing highs here for the Nasdaq 100 so far this year. And then quickly just moving over to DowJones30, we finally broken clearly above the 200-day EMA and SMA. A close above last Friday and last Thursday's high would then cement the likelihood of us going to hit the 50-day EMA again and hopefully break above it. Once we break above the 50-day EMA, that's when we then go and target this, the bottom side of this previous uptrend that we found ourselves trading in for the past year or so, which sits up around 35,000, let's say. So it's going to be very interesting to see how the markets develop over the next couple of days, especially with all the news headlines coming out of Gaza and Israel. But I'm still confident, especially this week in terms of technical analysis, that this market can continue to trade higher despite all of the worrying news coming out with regards to the latest news headlines. But that's going to be it for today's video, and of course, as I mentioned at the start of today's video, there will be no video tomorrow, but I will be back as of Wednesday. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget, if you'd like to join my Signal team, you get your first month for completely free of charge. This will also include the daily market research that I post prior to the US markets opening. Make sure you scan this QR code, and it will take you to my website where you can then sign up. But thank you very much for watching my videos.